Don't walk on the joists. It's dangerous.
What joist?
These are... Here.
That?
No, these boards here, Leona, are joists. So the subfloor sits on this. This is what holds the floor up.
What?
You want to run a screw in? Okay. This is an impact gun.
I have to be very...
It's a Milwaukee impact gun. It's much better than them Rockwell's.
This is how we do this.
What's that?
No doubt.
Okay, I can do.
Okay.
Stay on.
Now, I need you to stand. I want you to stand on the dirt. I don't want you to walk on these because you could trip and fall and hurt yourself.
What?
Yeah, you could.
But I can't trip and fall on those.
If you try to walk across these, you could trip and fall. They shake. I don't have any blocking in yet. You know what blocking is?
What?
Blocking is you pick a 2x, which is a board like this, and you put it in between these joists. And when you put those in, the boards won't flip flopping back and forth like this. Yeah? There's a little bit of blocking over here.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of blocking right there, but Daddy had to take that out so we could put in these to raise the floor and make them level.
This I can do.
Yeah? Look what you can do.
I'm trying to do this.
Oh my goodness. Suspending in air. You want me to show you how to use this impact gun?
Yeah.
Okay.
It might hold my ears.
That's a little loud, but it shouldn't be loud, that loud. Okay? So we'll take this. I'm going to go ahead and start it for you at an angle that I know will be easy. This is pine, and we'll go through an oak joist. Okay? So, hold on. So what you do, don't pull the trigger yet, but go ahead and hold it with your right hand. Okay? All right. Put your hand on the trigger, and we want to push. Nope. Hold on. I said don't pull the trigger yet. Don't pull it yet. Okay, let's get back on the screw. We want to... Don't pull the trigger yet. I said don't pull the trigger yet, okay? See, we're going to take this, we're going to push this in, and we need to make sure you're not pushing. Push it out. Not the trigger. Don't pull the trigger. I said don't pull the trigger yet. So take this. Nope. That's reverse. This is how you make it come out. Push it the other way. It goes in. All right. So hold on. All right. So put this on here. Okay. Don't pull the trigger. This is the trigger. Don't turn it on. So we're going to take this. We're going to push this into the screw as we're pulling this trigger. And then when this goes all the way to that board, we'll turn it off. Okay. You ready? Okay. You can pull the trigger now. Go. All the way. All the way. Good job. What do you think of that?
Did she just run her first screw?
I think it might be her first screw. Yeah, JC's ran quite a bit. Hey, Leona, I got you on camera running your first screw.
Let me see.
Hold on. You want to tell them this is Leona with Footsteps in the Past channel?
Yeah, it's me, Rihanna, playing footsteps.
Yeah, Footsteps in the Past channel. And hey, look at the camera. Don't forget to click that red button and click subscribe. Look right into the camera and tell them that.
Click that red button.
And say, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't get to subscribe.
And my daddy might teach you something.
My daddy won't teach me something.
Not won't teach you something. My daddy might teach you something.
The more movies.
Yeah, we got to put in all these screws, and Leona's going to help.
Look what I can do. Dad, look.
What? Oh, watch out. That blocking could break. That's old blocking. Look, this piece over here broke. You don't want to stand on it when you're walking around like this, right? Here we go. Here we go. Go, go, go. On an adventure. All right, we got all those in. We got to finish putting these bolts in. Let me go get my my thing. Okay, I'm getting hot. I'm gonna take this jacket off.
I take mine off.
Woo, it's hot.
Ooh, it's hot. Dad, that's a weird water bus. What's that? What's that? I need to help you now?
Yes, you can. You want to hold the screws?
Yeah.
Okay, these are black bolts. So get on the dirt, not the wood. Okay? Get in the dirt. Stand on the dirt, down the bottom. All right. Woo! I'm gonna walk on the wood over here. Don't do what I say. Do what I say. Not what I do. All right, get these lag bolts.
Be
Okay.
very
Oh, we don't need the
careful.
string anymore because we got the screws in there.
And we have one screw right here.
Yep. Where's that screw at, Leona?
Right here.
Yeah. So what do we got to do right now? What are we doing?
Gluing.
Screwing what?
Gluing the wood.
Screwing in the wood. What we're actually doing, oops, drop the impact gun. What we're actually doing is we're putting in these 5/16 lag bolts, right? Okay, these are 3.5 inches long. These are structural, hardened steel. These won't break. If you notice when we were running in the little screws right here, just because these are oak joists, when we ran that out, some of these broke. Yeah, we don't want them to break, do we? This is going to hold our kitchen up, isn't it?
Yeah. Where was
Okay.
the thing we're going to be?
You're standing in it. This is our kitchen.
This one?
This is our kitchen. You're standing in it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, too.
I am too. I'm sitting on it right now. All right, Leonie, you want to try your hand at putting in a lag bolt?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So, here's what we'll do. I'm going to move you over here. I don't want you to step over these. There we go. Oh, we already put a lag bolt in right there. Look at me. I'm goofy. Let's come over here.
This is where I
Okay, so this takes, you see how it looks like a star?
Yeah.
See the star? That is called a torque bit. There's different sizes. Look, different sizes. See, this is a 25 and this is a 30. Let's show the YouTube people. This is a 30, T30, and this is a T25. To run the bolts, you need a little more torque
I want to fall back here.
from your good impact gun. Okay, I'm gonna get this started just like before, but you'll find out these are oak. This is pine. This is pine. It's gonna go through really easy, and then that's oak. So once it hits the oak, it's gonna slow down. We may have to back this up and run it in a couple times till it's happy.
Where's mine?
Are you ready?
I don't know where mine is.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. You can just stand in the dirt. I don't want you to fall down. Turn around. Back up towards me. Towards me. I'll put my hands around you like this. See? We're going to put it down. See, now this side, if you see, we want to put the bolt into this board over here. Here, I'll show the camera. We want the bolt to go through here, into this, like this. So we can't start it up here, right?
Yeah.
We got to start it a little lower, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go, Leona. Back up. So we're going to come up, probably here. Okay, and I'll get it started, okay? These are a little harder to run than screws. Go put your hand on that impact gun. Put your hand in there. Right here, like I showed you. Right here. Right? So this is how we hold it. Put our hand around here. You don't pull the trigger until you're ready to use it. Okay?
Yeah.
Put your hand up there. Don't pull the trigger. Remember, we push it in. Good. Push it. Now pull the trigger all the way. Oh my goodness. That's probably better than I could do. Good job. You want to know something we got one to do over here too? You want to jump over there and do it?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Got it? All right, turn around.
There's a bite of it right there.
All right. Okay, I'll get it started. All right, put your hand on there. All right, don't pull the trigger till I tell you to, okay? You ready? Remember to push. Okay, you ready? Pull that trigger. Turn it on. Pull the trigger. All the way. Pull it in all the way. More. Keep going. Keep going. Good job. Here's what they need to look like when they're done.
Yeah, right, friends?
Right there. That's what they need to look like.
Yeah, right, friends? You watch our video.
You watch your LOL videos on YouTube? Do you watch Aubrey's Littlest Pet Shop videos with toasted treats? Yeah? Okay.
We can't open this door yet.
All right, Leona. I'm going to set this camera up back here. All right? Right here. And let's put all these bolts in.
Okay.
You ready? Okay. All right, see this one here? We come up about 3 or 4 feet. You know how far 3 or 4 feet is?
Yeah.
You do? Don't step on that. Come here, sweetie. Come here.
I want to do this way.
See? We'll measure. I'll show you. There, that's 3.5 feet right here. So let's put our next bolt right there.
We're going to go all the way up there.
Yep. Jump over here so they can see you on the camera. Whee! Turn around. Turn around. All right. Remember to pull the trigger and push. Right? Right there. Right there. Don't pull till I tell you to go. You ready? I'm going to help you. All right. Pull. Put it in over there. Jump over the blocking. Stop. We'll put one in right there. Okay?
Thank you.
Yep. Stand over here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll move the camera for you. How about that?
That would just fall off.
It will just fall off. Ouch.
You
Thank
dropped
you.
it.
All right.
It's going to be right here.
Let's get this camera set up so it's working. Okay. Here you go, Leona. You ready?
I don't want to do it anymore.
Why not?
So I'm scared I will hurt myself. I don't want to.
Oh. How are you going to hurt yourself, you think?
How do I put it right there?
Yeah, you're very smart. You are very smart to be scared of tools. Don't touch your tools unless your daddy is with you, right? Yeah? Is that right? Right, Leona? Are you scared of the power tool? Look at the camera, tell them. Why don't you want to use this anymore?
Because it's scary.
Why is it scary?
Because I hate it.
Why do you hate it?
Because every time you use it, I don't get to use.
You want to drive by yourself?
Dad, I will hurt myself if I do it by myself.
Oh, I hope you just a little bit. You're very smart to be scared of these, Leona. You shouldn't touch these without your daddy here, right? You don't touch daddy's power tools, right? What could happen? Here, tell other little kids watching this, what could happen if you touch your power tools and daddy's not around? Or mommy. Or grandma or grandpa or whoever. Tell them what would happen.
They're going to be mad.
They might be mad, but what could happen to your fingers?
They're going to get hard and blood will come out.
They sure could. How much blood would come out if you cut yourself with a saw?
100.
100? That's a lot, isn't it? All right. Do you want to do this last bolt? No? How about we get over your fear and we do this last bolt one time? Because now I don't want you to be scared of it. I want to show you that you're not going to get hurt if Daddy helps you.
Okay.
Okay? We'll try it one last time and we'll be done. Put this in there. Right there. Don't forget to push. Now pull the trigger all the way. Go ahead. Good job, Leona. All right, sweetie. Hey, Leona. You want to tell everybody goodbye?
Goodbye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Did you teach them anything, you think? No, you didn't teach them anything. Well, maybe they learned that kids need to have their mommies or daddies help them with the tools. Otherwise, 100 bloods might come out. Right? Yeah. Oh, you don't throw dirt at me. Hey, don't throw dirt at me. I'm serious. All right. We're all done.